Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best phone mount adhesive is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, aspects of a secure and reliable phone mounting system. A poorly chosen adhesive can lead to frustrating drops, damaged devices, and compromised safety, especially while driving or using your phone in other precarious situations. This video will help you navigate the world of phone mount adhesives, ensuring you choose the perfect one for your needs and budget, so you can keep your phone safely mounted and ready to go. Number 5. Volport 3M Adhesive Replacement. These adhesive pads are perfect for replacing worn-out adhesive on your phone holders and mounts. They're easy to use and provide a strong, long-lasting hold. This package includes 8 smaller adhesive patches, ideal for magnetic phone mounts and other small applications. They're designed to keep your devices securely in place. 2 larger adhesive discs are included for use with socket grips and other larger mounts. These provide extra strong adhesion for heavier items. Cleaning pads are provided to ensure a clean mounting surface for optimal adhesion. Proper cleaning is key for a long-lasting bond. Simply clean the surface, peel off the backing, and firmly press the adhesive onto the mount. Wait 24 hours for the best results. These replacement adhesives will extend the life of your phone holders, dash mounts, and other accessories. They're a cost-effective way to keep your devices secure. What we like. It includes multiple sizes of adhesive patches to fit various phone mounts. The strong 3M adhesive ensures a lasting grip. This is perfect if you have different phone mounts and need a versatile solution. What people say. Used these for my Wise cameras. Worked well on wood, vinyl and plaster. The backing is easily removed and this thing works like a charm. Super happy that I have multiple replacements in case we have to move it again. This adhesive is easy to use, extremely strong, and allowed me to transfer an old pop socket from one phone case to another. Number 4. APPS2Car Dashboard Pad. This innovative dashboard pad creates a smooth surface for your suction cup mounts. It ensures a secure hold for your phone or GPS device. It uses upgraded 3M sticky tapes for a strong, reliable bond. This ensures your devices stay put, even on bumpy roads. The 3M PE foam adhesive on the back allows it to stick firmly to textured surfaces. No more worrying about uneven dashboards. With a diameter of 2.76 inches, it's compatible with most suction cup mounts. It's perfect for phones, GPS devices, and dash cams. No tools are needed for installation. Just clean the surface, apply it, and press firmly for at least 10 seconds. It's that simple. Avoid soft, rugged, textured, or leather surfaces. Ensure the surface is clean and dry before applying. Remember, it's for one-time use, and allow 24 hours for full adhesion. What we like. With its large diameter, it's designed for most suction cup phone mounts. The 3M adhesive provides a strong hold on smooth surfaces. If you are looking for a reliable solution for your suction cup mount, this is it. What people say. These serve as an intermediary, they adhere to the fritz area and provide a surface to which a suction cup can adhere. It sticks well to the windshield and easy to install. Uses high-quality 3M adhesive to adhere. Number 3. Randconcept 95mm Adhesive Dashboard Pad. It fits most suction cup mounts. This makes it a versatile solution for your dashboard needs. The smooth PVC plate provides a secure surface for your device. The 3M adhesive ensures a firm grip on your dashboard. Unlike other adhesives, it's designed to withstand extreme temperatures. Enjoy reliable performance in any climate. Keep your phone or GPS device securely in place. Enjoy a safer and more focused driving experience. We use only the highest quality materials and state-of-the-art adhesive. Experience the difference. What we like. This one boasts a large diameter, compatible with most suction cup mounts. The enhanced adhesive ensures a superior hold, even in extreme temperatures. It's ideal if you need a durable and reliable solution for your phone mount. What people say. It is rock solid, it's not coming off unless I use a heat gun. And that's on the vertical textured surface of a Freightliner Cascadia. I use that for my phone mount. Also have one on the windshield for the Garmin OTR 1010 Trucker GPS. It's not coming off either. It was extremely easy to apply and has held up on the dash of our motorhome in temperature is over 100 degrees and down to about 40 degrees. I have been using this sticky disc for about 18 months in my car, and it is still sticking. The surface where I am using the disc is very slightly curved, plastic and just a bit bumpy. Number 2. AZXYI Sticky Adhesive Pads. This package includes 6 clear, round adhesive pads, each measuring 80 mm in diameter. They're perfect for replacing worn-out adhesive on your car phone mount or other suction cup devices. For best results, clean the surface before applying. Peel off the white backing, stick it to your mount, then peel off the red backing and attach it to your dashboard. Wait 24 hours before use. These pads are easily cut to fit your needs. They're compatible with most suction cup mounts, including phone holders, GPS devices, and more. Start by peeling off the white film, then adhere it to the mount base. After that, remove the red film and attach it to your dashboard. Press firmly to ensure a secure bond. They create a strong, instant bond that resists heat and moisture. Plus, they're easy to remove without leaving residue. What we like. You get 6 adhesive pads that can be cut to fit any mount. They're clear, so they won't affect the look of your mount. If you need a highly adaptable and easy-to-use solution, this is the best choice. What people say. They are super sticky and sturdy. Easy installation, and works well. The adhesive is very sticky. I would recommend these discs for your car phone mount. It's holding my rather large GPS on my dash without losing suction, even in the extreme heat. Number 1. Volport 70 mm Adhesive Replacement Kit. It fits various suction cup accessories. It's suitable for dashboards and windshields, providing a strong hold for your devices. These pads are made with high-temperature resistant 3M adhesive. They're 40% stronger than ordinary adhesive, ensuring a secure grip even in extreme heat. Simply clean the surface, peel off the backing, and apply. Remember to wait 24 hours for optimal adhesion. It removes cleanly without leaving residue. No tools are needed, and it won't damage your dashboard. The kit includes 2 70 mm adhesive pads, for cleaning wipes, and a user manual. We also offer a 1-year warranty. These pads are compatible with holders around 70 mm in diameter. Always wait 24 hours after application before use for best results. What we like. These adhesive pads are 40% stronger than standard ones and can withstand high temperatures. They're designed for a 70 mm suction cup mount and provide a secure hold. If you live in a hot climate or want extra strong adhesion, this is for you. What people say. Strong adhesive has held my dash phone holder for over 6 months now. The original sticky pad that came with my cell phone holder only lasted a couple of weeks before the adhesive failed. This one has been for a couple of months, and so far so good. The adhesive that came with a dash-mounted phone holder didn't work very well. Rather than buy a new holder, I bought new adhesive circles. I made sure to let the adhesive rest a full 48 hours before using the phone holder. It's been a few weeks, and so far so good. Even when I adjust the stand so it's holding my heavy S22 Ultra in the air away from the vent as opposed to letting it rest down against the vent, the adhesive has held. I hope it continues to work. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.